How do you do?
Mommy finger.
Mommy finger, yeah.
Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you? Auntie!
Auntie!
Snowflakes on the graceful trees underneath the mistletoe. My teardrops melt the snow. Baby, won't you please come home? Been too long, you've gotta know. So much joy that we'll have.
Buh! Say good morning, guys. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys!
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Thursday and kakauwi lang ni Daddy Mike from the gym. And pagka-uwi niya guys ay may pinamili siya for him and also for me. So alam niyo ba, sobrang sweet ni Daddy Mike kasi kahit na hindi kami magkasama na nasa labas ay kapag may nakita siya na he thinks bagay sa akin or he thinks na magugustuhan ko, ay binibili niya. So, ayan, nakapag-vlog agad si mami niyo kasi gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung binili ni Daddy Mike. First is itong top from Adidas. Tingnan niyo. Oh my God, sobrang nice. At first, nung pinakita niya sa akin, sabi ko, ay, ang liit kasi extra small. But, guys, sana kasya ang extra small. Tingnan niyo, sobrang sexy sa likuran, oh. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng kanyang kulay, kaya sinuot ko na kaagad. So, ayan. Love it. Do you like it on me, Daddy? Yeah. And, meron pa dito yung mga pinamili niya na medyo tagilid kasi, especially ito. Ayan. It's nice. This is from Nike. Alam niyo ba, sa op shop to niya binili kasi yung gym niya is malapit sa op shop. So, nag-stop siya doon after ng kanyang gym. And they're very good price, you know. Like, I think this one is for, asa na yung tag? $9 ata ito siya. And, kung ako yung pumunta at nakita ko to, I'd buy it as well. Kasi gustong-gusto ko yung kulay. But this one, I'm still ganun. Not sure. Sobrang ganda pa naman ang size. $8 yung bili ni Daddy Mike dito. Pero yung kulay niya, guys, hindi ko masyadong bet. Ayan. Tapos, ito pa. Magkano ba to? $7 for this. Yeah, I might actually just at home, you know. Suot ko to. Tapos, ito, isa. Nike, $12, guys. At long sleeve siya na green. I think this will be nice as well. I think magugustuhan ko to pag sinuot ko. Ayan. Ito rin, binili niya. Maraming binili si Daddy Mike for me. Nike din to siya, oh. $7. Iba-iba rin si Daddy Mike. And then, may binili siya for himself. Itong black na long sleeve shirt. From Cotton On. Tapos, may parang denim looking H&M. $7. Ayan. Magaling talagang pumili. And then, last one in this bag is the windbreaker from Nike. Nice, black and white. Yeah, this is for him as well. Football Federation Australia. For the coach pala ito. Yeah, yun yung mga napamili niya. Ba, ito sinuot ko kaagad kasi bet na bet. Bet na bet ni Auntie. Oh yeah, $9 talaga to kasi tingnan niyo. Andyan ang kanyang tag ko, $9. So, ang aking biyanan ay maagang umalis. So, nagpunta siya ng city. Explore siya ng city mag-isa. Kasi, bukas ay dadalhin niya si Ate Paris sa movie. So, yeah, we will see her this afternoon or maybe, yeah, tonight. Kasi, busy din tayo tonight, guys. After ni Daddy Mike sa work niya, 7 o'clock, ay magre-ready siya. Kami, get the girls ready beforehand. meron tayong photos with Santa at 8 o'clock tonight. So, dapat sana, I know, 8 o'clock, gising pa ba yung mga kids niya? Baka pag nag-picture with Santa ay gumaganon-ganon na yung mata. Dapat kasi sana Sunday yung photos with Santa. Pero yung friend namin na Thai, nag-invite sila na pumunta ng beach sa Burley Heads on Sunday. So, we move things around para makapunta kami kasi for sure may enjoy ni Ate Paris with her friend Irene. And also, yeah, Celine with Anya. You know them, nakita nyo na sa videos before. And also, yung biyenan ko, hindi pa siya nakapunta ng Burley Heads. So, it's like an hour and a half drive from here. It's, you know, beach. Nakita ko, yun na siguro yun sa previous vlog natin. So, sabi ko, okay, let's just move things around. And then, Thursday kasi, late night shopping. So, open sila hanggang 9 ata. So, 8 kami pupunta. And then, yeah, busy tayo this week, guys. Like, tomorrow. What's for tomorrow? Sunday. It feels like I've got something on tomorrow. For sure, Ate Paris and Lola Karen will go out and mag-watch sila ng movie. And then Saturday is Daddy Mike's, Daddy, what time is it, Daddy? The Christmas party.
6 o'clock or something?
Okay, 6 o'clock pa naman pala. So, it's okay. Pinabili ko sa Daddy Mike nito, oil. So, yung pinabili ko sa kanya is oil, pero hindi ako naging specific na gusto ko yung cheaper lang, yung malaking, yung vegetable oil or canola oil. Kasi yung lulutuin ko is yung turon. Binili ko from, tingnan nyo, binili ko from the Filipino shop nung pumunta kami ng Gold Coast. And since wala kami oil, hindi ko naluto kahapon, binili ni Daddy Mike virgin oil. Extra virgin olive oil, just like me.
Like me lately.
Daddy. Anyways, I'll make it work.
No.
Hindi ko gamitin lahat ba? Ay, tinagalog ko na. I'm not gonna use it all. I'm gonna make it work, okay? Just a little bit. It doesn't have to be deep fried. Look. Watermelon. Perfect. Avocados. And then, sarap na naman. Penya. Ate, what's the Tagalog of, or the Bisaya of pineapple? Good girl. Tingnan natin kung masarap ba ito, B? Yung gilid niya, hindi matamis. In the middle. Hindi siya kasing tamis ng last time. Pero, labo. May laman. Perfect ito siyang kainin, guys. Especially sa weather na ito ngayon. Sobrang init. Alam niyo ba, I'm sweating din niyo para kung pwede nang maprituhan yung aking mukha sa oil. Sobrang init. You go, Inday. Madam? Do you like it? Yes. Yum. Give Mama thumbs up? If you like it. Oh, good girl. We'll have a shower, huh? And then you'll have a nap. Ay, kulingo-lingo, Eday. Mommy is the boss. Alam niyo ba si Baby Celine kanina? Diyos ko Lord, buti na lang nakita ko. Inabot niya pala yung gunting. Tapos she was trying to cut her hair. Umiyak siya kasi parang na-shock ako ba? Sabi ko, Celine! Pag gano'n na talaga siya, sa kanyang bangs. Buti na lang nakita ko. Pahak unta. Pahak unta Inday Celine. Apat lang yung lutuin ko. Para may apat pa akong maiwan. time.
Thank you. Say thank you, Lini.
Yummy, Ling Ling? Yeah.
Hey, well, lady milk.
Is that Lini milk?
Yeah.
Wow, what is it, Daddy?
Huh?
Special drink?
No, it's
Wow, special drink for
Yeah.
Lini.
It's a chocolate.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
How are you?
How you do?
How do you do?
Everything.
Mommy finger, yeah.
Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you? Auntie.
Ati.
Mommy shark,
Keep up.
do. Mommy shark.
Mommy shark, do do do.
Mommy shark, do.
Iti.
Mommy
Ito.
shark,
Daddy, Daddy,
Not
close it.
wet. Very hot.
It's so dark. Naputla ng kurente lang. Say oh
A
no.
light.
Say oh no.
That light.
Say oh my goodness.
Light.
Say oh my goodness.
Light.
Oh my goodness.
Light.
Like, Daddy, Daddy, close the blinds. It's too hot. We'll go out, okay? Ready, steady? Go. Time check, guys. It's nearly 3 o'clock ng hapon and nasa labas kami.
So is it 2 o'clock?
2:53. So, kakalabas lang namin ng bahay today. I decided na ilabas ko itong mga kids para fresh air naman and kasi very hot sa loob ng bahay. Oh my God. Mainit din naman sa labas, but yeah, it gets really hot inside the house. So, na yun, nabuboard sila. So, labas ko sila. At first, sabi ko, bili tayo ng sushi para may pang-snack sila. Then sabi ko, punta muna tayo ng op-shop kasi hindi ako nakapunta ng op-shop. And si Bianan, pumunta dito the other day and she had good stuff. Sabi ko, punta tayo anak kasi hindi ako nakapunta dun for a while. So, dito kami, tingin-tingin muna and then we'll go back to the sushi place. So, tingnan nyo ang dalawa. Ayan, Lini. Lini. Focus ang mukha. Oh! So, they got Christmas stuff. That's nice. Oh, that's cute. Oh, what's that?
It's my trophy. I thought.
That's very
What's in
Christmassy
here?
lang. Probably the strap.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Tingnan niyo sa Ate Paris na try na lang high heels.
Toys. Like this thing.
Lini?
Mine. Can we look somewhere else?
Yeah. Tingnan niyo si Madam. Sabi pa niya sa akin, do you like it? Ginawang runway ang op-shop. Ito rin isa, ginawang playground. Tingnan niyo. Ba!
Hi.
Here you go, our sushi here. Sali will have the California. And Ate will have the honey.
Open.
Mommy will open.
Open.
Tingnan niyo ito. Yum yum? Mama bite?
No.
Yes. Have a look, they've got toys already, guys.
or
Dinala nila ako dyan, oh. Meron
or
pa mga plano
maybe-
tong mga taong to.
Maybe it's too sleepy. But
Show me your toy.
this is what Lisa got, and I said, "Where did you get it from?" And she said, "I got from school." And I said, "I want one." And then she said,
I said, and she said, and I said, and she said.
then
Show me yours thing. See, Linus is like, you know, you put it in the water and it will,
grows.
yeah, it grows like 6 times. Wow, we'll see if that really works. Let's go.
It actually does. I saw
We'll go home now so Daddy Mike asked nag-message siya sa akin na magpabili siya ng sushi. We'll open it at home, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay, Lily?
Here we go.
So, malapit nang mag 7 o'clock, guys. Matatapos si Daddy Mike very soon. I'm just going to show you my outfit for tonight's photo taking with Santa. Tingnan nyo. So, I've got this green, how do you call this one? Tweed looking blazer na sleeveless. Tapos, nilagyan ko lang ng belt na ganyan para ma-cinch in yung waist. And I'm wearing the pants that Mom Karen gave me yesterday. Look at this. It's so long. It's so long, but I want to wear it for tonight's photo taking with Santa. So, I have to make it work. So, tingnan niyo ang suot ni Mami niyo, guys. So, I'm wearing this platform high heels. You want it? You want to come over here?
No, where's the shoes?
Which
Where's the shirts that I bought today?
Which one?
The ones that I bought with your...
Oh, in the bedroom.
Oh.
Yeah, and this is at the Paris's. Come here. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's a princess. Who's the princess?
Me.
Look.
I made a,
Oh, no, so it gets so hot. I'm sweating.
I made a present for Santa.
Sure did. So, ayan, yan yung ating pa-outfit. And then, baby Celine's just wearing at baby girl. Come. Oh my god, I'm sweating enough. Especially with what I'm wearing. So thick. Hi, darling. Woohoo. Look at baby Celine. Beautiful girl. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Beautiful dress. Yeah, wave, guys.
Guys.
Do you love your dress? You love your dress? Look. It's gonna go big. See, don't get wet though, okay? Yun yung pinasuot ko kay Baby Celine. Kasi, parang galing na yung team namin. Kita nyo ba ang aking
Bobby.
mukha, guys? Sobrang,
Baby.
sweating.
Baby.
So yeah, I really love my outfit for tonight. You know, photo, aura with Santa. Don't get wet.
Oh, no.
Oh my goodness. Grabe, napakainit.
The Bobby.
So, si Daddy Mike ay matatapos na soon. Yes, ang aming picture taking is 8 o'clock. I think 8:10 something. So, hindi pa kami nakain dito. Doon na kami siguro kakain sa shopping center kasi late night shopping tonight kasi Thursday. So, yun lang. Share ko lang yun. But we'll take you with us, guys. Yes! Yes, you did. We'll take you with us. Ang ating pa-makeup. Pero grabe ang...
Open.
Oh, and also yung contour na ginamit ko, guys, yung highlighter is from Mom Karen as well. Kasi pinatry niya sa akin yung bagong bilhin niya na makeup. So look, super nice. I think I'm gonna get that highlighter. I like it.
Open.
Okay, Mama will open for you, okay? Oh, this is Lola's. Is this yours, Mom? Is this still okay? Can Celine have it? Oh. You want water, Paris?
Water.
I'm just gonna stay inside the fridge. I'm so hot. Want water?
Mama, it's gonna bounce. Look, it's gonna bounce.
Please stop walking. Dito na kami, guys. Hills for more. Good singing. We're here. Si Daddy Mike ay kailangan bumalik kasi yung phone niya ay naiwan niya sa sasakyan. So, si mami niyo ay napakataas ng high heels, guys. Tapos, kagakarga pa. Ano na yan, anak? Say hello, guys. Taking photo with Santa. Oh, shush, obo. Obo, dyan lang, oh.
Mama.
Look, there's Santa there. Santa there. Ooh. Aga pa kami, guys. Meron pa kaming 40 minutes. Ay. So, mag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito. Kasi we still have time to kill. So, si Ma'am Karen ay pumunta na ng pumunta siya ng shops. Sabi niya babalik na lang daw siya mamaya. Where's Lola? Lola went to Maya's. Do you wanna go see Santa now? Okay, we'll see Santa. We'll take a pic of Santa, okay? Look, sa ganda ng kanilang pasetak dito. See, there's Santa. Look. There's Santa there. Oh my goodness. Look, where's your present? So, while killing time, guys, nandito kami sa harapan na jeweler. Tingin-tingin pa more.
I love turtle. I love turtle.
Oh, that looks very nice. It's so good. Oh, sus, noong una, ito talaga yung
I want candy.
pangarap ko.
I was
Silver.
Oh,
Lord. Can you see? It is. Which color? Blue? I like the blue. Tingin-tingin ba? Kasi si Paris naboboard. This one is very nice lang. Oh, they've got owl. See the owl? See? Woot woo!
Oh, yeah.
Woot woo!
Owl.
See, ang ate. Si mami niyo. Show mama? Yay! Love your crowns. This way? This way, mama? Wow! Hinihintay lang namin yung pictures namin ngayon, guys. And I don't think kami ni Daddy Mike ay good luck sa pictures na yun. Ang inano nila is yung si Baby Celine pagdating namin sa loob. Oh my goodness, iyak siya, guys. She's crying. Ayaw niya magpa-picture with Santa, guys. Pagdating namin sa loob. Hindi siya umiyak, pero naggumaganon siya. Ayaw niya. Like, she walked away. So yeah, we'll see our turn. Daddy, come. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, all good.
For some chili sauce.
Yeah, mommy.
Dami, yeah.
That's right.
Time check, guys. It's now 10 o'clock ng gabi. And kakauwi lang namin. Actually, mga 10 minutes ago. So, the kids, actually, tingnan naglalaro pa. They got this one from kung saan kami kumain kanina. Ayan, binigyan sila nito and the color pencils as well. This one, sleepy na to siya, si payak-iyak na. That's why it's past their bedtime now. Did you enjoy taking a photo with Santa or you got scared?
Where's my yellow?
What's your yellow? Oh no. Any yellow this? What's this? The yellow?
Yellow.
Is that yellow?
I think I saw her
Hello?
passing by the lobby. What?
I'm making another one.
It's only borrowing.
Ang aking mata ay tulog na, guys. Patulog ko na kayo ko. Have a look what Paris is making.
No, honey.
I'm making another one.
We want everyone to see you carry
Hindi
that.
man mag-focus lang. There. Focus. Tayo mag-focus.
I saw my.
I'm making another one.
Didn't know how to place it.
Anyways, I'm going to end the vlog here now, guys. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Photos with Santa. I can't believe the changes, the big changes from our photo last year, you know, for just 1 year. Makikita niyo talaga yung diferensya, you know, ng size ni Celine, size ni Paris. They're really growing. Thank you all, guys, for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Say bye-bye now.
Okay, now she got
Say
hair.
bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Lady, say bye-bye.
It's fine.
This one is very, I don't know, guys, grumpy. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Mwah.